Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be downloading a few free games using your Xbox Live Gold membership. So let's just go right into your Microsoft Store. Under your Microsoft Store you will see a few options, and down here you will see one of the options where it says memberships. So let's just click on memberships, and from there it should take us into here. So right now we should see this very first option where it says Xbox Live Gold. So we can go ahead and click on Xbox Live Gold. Right away we can see the 3 free games that we have for this month. However, let's just take a look at them. And right now we can see that it says free, free, and free. They're not demos, they're not trials, they're full games, by the way. So we're gonna start off with this one right here. And we're gonna download it right away. Again, the download depends on your internet speed. If you guys have slow internet speed, well, there's not much we can do. Anyways, once we scroll down, we should see this. And make sure it says free like it says right here. And it also tells me that it's free for those 24 days. That means I can just click on get. Don't click on buy to own, because you guys can just click on get and it's gonna download the game. From there, just let it install. It's gonna install by itself. Do not click on buy to own because it's yours. And it's not just yours for those 24 days. That's how long you guys have to download the game. Other than that, you guys get to keep it. You guys get to play it 6 months later. It doesn't really matter. When you guys play it, it's yours. So right now we're gonna go into a second one. We're gonna download it as well. And as mentioned, the download process really depends how fast your internet speed is. So this one, I only have 8 days left in order to download it. So make sure to download it right away as you guys see this video. Because after that, we're gonna get a fresh new batch of free games. And there we go, it says pending. That's fine because it's downloading the other game. And let's go into this one. Now, any Xbox 360 games or Xbox games like this one, sometimes they get glitchy. So right now it's telling me that it's free. Perfect. I can just go get. And just want to mention with Xbox 360 games, it will ask me to verify my payment information, although it's free. And with this type of game, Xbox game, sometimes it does the same. In this case it didn't, so it's perfect. Because really it doesn't really need to verify your payment information since it's in fact free. So we can just go back. And that's it for the games. So let's just take a look at each one and how big each one is at the moment. So we're gonna go all the way back so we can check out my games and apps. I'm gonna go all the way down. I'm gonna click right here and then I can see this one. Yeah, so the first one is in fact 7.78 gigs. For now, I'm gonna pause it. And I'm gonna take a look at the other games that are installing, just so we can see exactly how much space they're gonna take up. So this one is only 2.64 gigs, pretty small too. I'm just gonna pause it for now, and I wanna see the next one. That's the only reason I'm pausing these games, just to see how big each one of them is. So I can see this other one is 1.91 gigs. So again, not too huge. Anyways, you guys can see how big each one of these is. It does really depend on your internet speed, how fast each one will download. For me, this one will only take a couple minutes. For some of you with slower internet speeds, this could take an entire day. It does really depend on internet speed. If you guys are having problems, you guys can always use an Ethernet cable instead of using your Wi-Fi. That should speed things up. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.